What if creating stunning landing pages was as easy as dragging and dropping? What if you could turn your vision into reality without a single line of code? Welcome to the future of web design with MailerLite's new landing page builder. Imagine the possibilities when your creativity has no limits, where every element, every image, every call to action is exactly where you want it, how you want it. With our new builder, it's not just possible, it's effortless. With new and improved design elements and dedicated sections, you can customize your landing page like never before. Need the perfect headline? Our AI text generator is ready with ideas for you to workshop. Want stunning visuals? Generate high-quality images with just a few clicks. And with our brand style guides, your unique look will stay consistent across every page you build. Want to save a specific element for later? Label it as a favorite, and you can reuse it in future designs. If you want to save even more time, you can leverage our AI landing page builder. MailerLite's AI-powered builder takes your brand specifics and whips up a stunning custom page in record time. From headlines to persuasive copy, everything reflects your unique voice. Think of it as an instant inspiration you can actually tweak to perfection. Whether you're launching a new product, capturing leads, or telling your story, MailerLite's landing page builder brings your ideas to life. It's more than just a tool, it's your gateway to endless possibilities. Step into the future of web design. Try MailerLite's new landing page builder today.